Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Technions. Today we will learn how you can run a Python script from your Node.js application. So this is the main code. What we are going to use is we are going to call the child process module through spawn, and then this line is for running the script. Then this snippet is for giving out the output. Whatever runs in your Python code, it will give out the output. If you don't give out this line, then it will not show an error, nothing it will do. It will just execute and complete the process and set. So this is to show the output, and then this one is to show out the error if there is any, and then the third one is to exit the process. So when is there such kind of requirement? Sometimes when you are making a container and all, and you have an application which uses some features of the Python code and some features of the Node.js, you are using Node.js as a server, and now you want to do call this Python script. So in that case we run this type of script using spawn. And also remember to close it, because sometimes if you don't close it, it remains in that process, and next time when you print out, try to execute the code, it will give some error or do nothing. So let's start it. Now let me make one Python file, simple Python file. Okay, so give it as hello.py. Okay, so I will tell you the steps in which you can face error. Okay, it is hi Abhavya. Save the file, and just first of all run your Python script normally also in your system. Sometimes there is a problem in the script only and it is not running. So I will check it. Python hello.py. So it is giving out my result, the desired result. Now I want a Node.js script which will run my Python script. So let me name it as run Python. Extension is .js. This one is to run my Python script. So what are the things you are going to need is first of all get the child process. Okay, save it, and remember you need to install this also, npm I child process. Hit enter, we will write rest of the code. Now I want to execute my hello.py file, so I will give it as the variable as something like python child out your process. So the first is the extension. If I give Python version here, it will print out the version. Give a comma, and here are the file name and all the arguments. First is the file name and then comes the arguments. So right now it is just hello.py. Then we will try out with the arguments. Okay, this is there. Now if I run the script, you will see I will get no error, neither error nor any output. So just let me save it and first show it to you. No error, neither the error nor the output. So in order to get the output, we are going to use this part. Okay, so it is my Python child dot standard output we are going to use. Remember the signs I am using. So for listing out my errors. So Python child again dot stderr, and this one will list out your errors. And now to close the child, so again just dot on, the things are as close, exit it. This step is important. With save everything, and we are going to run this again. So we can see the output, standard output is hi Abhavya. If I gave it as output here, whatever I write here will come here, and this one was the output. Then also, sorry for the interruption. So as I was saying, the child process, it is important to close it, and then The next thing is passing of the arguments. So if I want to pass arguments from my Node.js function to the Python script. So first of all, what I'm going to do is give import sys. So again, I will tell you to just check your Python script, because sometimes in your editor only this import sys is not working, like import panda is not working. It will come as no modules as pandas found, something like this, some errors like this. So better resolve it first. So python hello.py is working absolutely fine. And now here what I want to give, instead of sending as hi abhavya, I will give the arguments here. It is str sys dot. You see me writing it, the argument as 1, and you will come to know it very soon why I am writing this. Open your run Python script, and now I am going to pass the argument here. So what you do is first write the script, your file name, and then only you pass the argument. I will pass my argument as abhavya. Okay, so this is considered as 0 and this is considered as 1, then 2, then 3. So any number of arguments you can pass, and like this it will work. So save the file and just run hello. Okay, now it gave some error. Okay, sorry, my bad, I gave the wrong file name here, wrong command. It should be node actually. So if I give node run python.js, I can see the result at hello abhavya. This is hi abhavya. And now I want to pass 2 arguments. I also want to pass my last name as Varma, so again argument. So save this one, remember to save it, and then the Python section, just go and give another argument like this. Okay, save it again and just run your file. So we can see it as hi abhavya Varma. So I think I have covered everything. So if you have more doubts regarding this, please mention it in the comment section, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.